another saber here to run through. It's a Saberforge Renegade. If you've seen my previous sabers, similar construction. Spark 2 control board, 3D printed chassis, access to the SD card, although in general I don't recommend it, but if you would like to, I can certainly give you instructions. It has a recharge port built in, 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, red, green, blue LED with white flash on clash, basically, combination of colors. Comes with a blade plug. Blade will be cut to your specification, somewhere between 32 and 36 inches, although we can go a little longer. And I'll send the blade. I actually install a filament in the blade. And of course the tip. Scuff it a bit as well so that it gives a nice clean light from beginning to end, front to back. Comes with the recharger, so basically it's ready to go out of the box. And with that, we'll run through it. Spark 2 has the default sound fonts. Pull the recharge port out. There's the saber. First color is sort of a sky blue. Blaster deflections. Lock up. Change the font.
Essence.
Let's rotate forward and back. Here's the second font at the moment is green. And the third is red.
Essence.
So if you're not familiar with the Spark 2 sound fonts, it's essentially a very Empire Strikes Back font in the father-son, the one that's paired with blue. The second one is sort of a blend of an Episode 1 font, and then the third is very similar to a Vader Empire Strikes Back font. We can make different colors, so if you wanted, say, yellow or orange or fire orange, some other color, we can do that. 3 is the maximum I can configure on the board. We can pair that with these sound fonts or pick up another sound font from someplace like saberfont.com and I can install that for you. You do have to pay for that, but they're pretty minimal. Let's see, this bottom LED is for the LED or bottom, sorry, set screws for the LED module, so we won't mess with that. This top one's for the blade, and I'll go ahead and install the blade. Alright, so fire this up, and you get to see this with a real blade. If you can see, a little different in person than what it is on camera, but it's a very sky blue, very much like Empire Strikes Back. It's actually a royal blue LED with a little bit of green mixed in. We can switch that to a full royal blue if you like. A lot of different options there. Flash on clash is a white. And those are blaster deflections are white, flash on clash is white, and then of course force lockup. One of my favorites. Then we have the green,
Essence. Episode
which is
1.
paired with Episode 1 sound font. Very even blade distribution. That's really from the filament inside and a little bit of scuffing on the exterior. And the force lockup effect, which is very nice, you can generate by creating a clash and then pulsing the button, or hold the button and create the flash, and you get a different lighting effect. You get a mix of the flash on flash and the LED color. There we go. I like that one a little better. And then the Spark 2 adds the Saber Tracks feature, so I've added some of those. You can customize those if you like. It gives you sound. If you hold the button, it will energize the last LED. And then you can pulse the button, switch through the tracks. I put 3 on here. And install the recharge key or the kill key. And that kills the saber. So if you're charging the saber is de-energized and is safe and will be charged. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.